right.
Hey, it's Matt, Blind Guys Garage. And as you can tell today, is a slightly bit different. Ain't they all? Mr. Holloway, he's here.
Wheelman.
Howdy.
Chris, he's behind the camera. Can't see him just yet. We'll get his ugly mug out there in a minute.
Tyreek Hill.
Tyreek Hill. So, we're going to work on this little small ball 350 we put together, what, 2 years ago?
Maybe. It's been a while.
And we're going to try to get it on the stand and run him for the very first time.
For the first time in forever. But I need a 9/16 socket.
All right. Well, I guess we'll bring you back in a bit.
All right.
All right. Can you see what you're looking at?
See some fat, chubby fingers.
That's right. All right. For real. Act right.
Why?
Act right. Because I got to edit that shit. That's why. And yes, I'll probably end up putting this in the video. So,
I ain't cursed one time. I just said fat, chubby fingers. You don't curse.
all right. All right. So, Chris and Holloway, sorry,
That's Wheelman.
Wheelman
There you go.
and Chris have put the water pump on. The water pump is the device, that thing. I'm currently working on a fuel pump, which I'm not really doing a real good job of. You know. And then, I think we're going to put a crankshaft pulley on it, water pump pulley, and I'll have to go get my alternator bracket and all out of that box right there. It's sitting for my brand new motor, which y'all have already seen on the channel a little bit as I've been putting it together. And
That ugly Chevelle wagon out there.
yeah, piece of junk Chevelle wagon.
Definitely wouldn't like to have myself. I think it's gonna be a cool thing, like, you know, 20, 40 years from now.
I'm thinking
sick.
I'm thinking 10 years from now it's gonna be cool, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, it's cool now, but you know, like,
Yeah.
a new level of
It's gonna
appreciation
take you 10
for
years to do that. That sounds like how long it's taken me to do the hut.
Sounds like how long it's taking Chris to do his Mustang.
it. All right. We shouldn't do that. All
We
right.
haven't made it a whole year yet.
No, not yet, but
It's close.
we're getting close,
We're right at
unfortunately.
that mark now.
We should hurry up on that thing.
All right.
Meep, meep.
What you doing there, Matt?
We're pulling this junky old run stand out and tripping over stuff on the way by. And
Yeah, dude. What are you, blind?
Perfect.
so we're gonna get this here motor right here all set up on that run stand right there. So yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, got the gaskets on.
Valve core gaskets on,
done.
water pumps on, pulleys are on.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Motor's
put on
not
the
sitting at the
run
right angle, we're gonna
stand.
set it back down.
Probably.
Oh, we definitely will.
Okay, well, progress.
All right. We have now mounted the engine on the run stand. Got a real nice set of headers from a Camaro. What is that? 67 Camaro headers. We put the bell housing on. They installed a starter. And I think the next thing is the distributor and the plug wires.
That is correct.
And it's almost like 10:30, so we'll see how much later it is before we get this thing to crunk.
What they're also not reminding you is we still gotta get gas, oil, distributor, and carburetor on this thing. But they don't know yet that I'm not putting the carburetor on it. To be continued.
Go ahead, Matt.
All right.
All right. All right.
Well, we've got the motor on the stand.
All right. That's the face Matt gives me when he wants to punch me.
Yes, I'm really thinking about it. Although, we can just go straight to the next level.
Oh no, we're good. All right, let's continue. All right.
All right, so we got the engine on the stand, headers, exhaust,
All right.
EFI,
Look at that. Look at that.
no radiator.
I
Y'all
had to
ignore
peek the
that part.
Chevelle real quick. Yeah.
Ignore that part.
Yeah, but we're just doing it. I mean, we're not gonna run it that long. Oh yeah, Matt's hose ain't long enough.
Yeah, hose ain't long enough.
So we're gonna run it without the
So,
hose.
we've also ran an oil pump drive down in the motor. Now let's see if we got oil pressure.
Always drill your motors, boys.
That's right, drill it. What we got? Y'all ready?
Ready.
Nothing?
Nothing.
All right, well, I ain't pushed it yet, so let's squeeze on her and see what happens.
I don't see any.
No leaking yet?
Mm-mm. Why don't you explain to your viewers what you're doing there, Matthew?
Well, I'm driving the oil pump with a mechanical drive rod, but my drill doesn't smell happy.
No, it doesn't. It's burning up.
There it goes. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and we're going to stop at 70. We're pre-lubed, and my drill is on fire. Not really on fire.
Oh, pressure.
One more time. All right, what's the gauge? You ready? Oh, it's still dropping.
Yeah.
Nice holding pressure.
Yeah.
That's different. Uh-oh. We already have problems.
Blind Guys Garage, take one.
Alright, so we got to set up this EFI. Initial setup. Engine specs. That might be too big. Let's go down quite a ton. Really? We'll have to do it. Oh, hell no. 355. 355. Cam spec 1. Idle RPM 750. Sounds good to me.
Hey, Matt. That can't be good for your eyes.
What? Dick. RPM, AFR, and not like it really matters.
It's a 4-door. Add that. Make sure it says 4-door.
4-door. You're talking like you're at a parts store.
Y'all ready? Yay or nay?
It'll take a couple times.
Either it backfires to the carburetor,
Which might.
because I got the distributor 180 out, because I didn't check it, or it runs. So we're going to shut the fuel pump off. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Take 3.
What's the chance that distributor's no good?
Yeah, that's a possibility.
Because I ain't heard a lick, y'all.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm a freaking dumbass. I have forgot to hook up the tack wire for the EFI to see that it's actually spinning over to give it fuel. Chris is enjoying himself right now. So when I find it, we'll bring you back.
Just take like 6.
No.
Yeah, it is.
This is take 3.
Take 5.
This is take 3.
Attempt to start the motor 5.
Yeah, no, that's probably.
Take 5.
We're getting somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Give her a little bit of timing. Is it popping out the carburetor at all yet?
I haven't seen any flames.
Yeah.
That's good.
Oh my goodness, that smell.
It wants to run.
Mm-hmm.
And by the way, just for those that are wondering, we got 40 pounds of oil pressure. Liking that timing in it.
I wasn't counting, but that's like attempt 11 or something.
They don't always start on the first lick. unlike the movies let you think and the TV shows. Oh, we're there now.
Yeah.
A little bit more. A little more time in there. Come on, baby. Don't put too much.
Hey, I'm happy right there, dude.
Come on, baby. You ready? I'm going to shake myself off the screen here. Well, we don't have something right, but it's trying to run.
No, it's
Probably our side pipe exhaust system.
yeah.
Hey, I think that counts.
We're going to put a little bit more time into it. Real quick.
You keep an eye on the tune.
What I need you to do, it won't run. It don't matter. What I'm going to need you to do, I need you to kind of just stand right there. And this is for, and just click the start button for me, and I'll edit it in a minute. Just kind of give us an angle. All right, you ready? YouTube short. Ready?
Oh, video, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Ready?
In 4.
Start it when you're ready.
Aim forward, good buddy.
Firing off. Last round, hopefully. Ooh.
That's some smoke where you spilled the oil earlier.
And, are we still rolling?
Yeah.
Cool. There you go. First live start of this engine. Yes, we need to do some tuning. This is a flat tebbit cam motor, so I need to break the cam in properly. We just all wanted to hear it run. I could probably throw a little bit more time in at it and see if it'll run. What the hell? Let's try it one more time just cause. I really shouldn't be doing this anymore, but we're doing it anyway. You know what they say? Not my motor. Now I'm done. Well,
This Wheelman's motor. Wheelman.
Wheelman, getting the brand new motor for the Hudson.
Hey, for the Hudson.
Yeah.
We'll get it running. We'll get it running a little better. We'll bring it back when we go to do a cam break in. But until then, I guess that'll be it for this guy. We'll pull the exhaust back off of it because it's too long to move around in the shop.
What, you don't like our exhaust?
No, I like the side pipes just fine.
Yeah, side pipe.
But we need some more time and it needs some more tuning. And like I said, flat tebbit cam motors, we need to actually get in there and break it in properly. But there it is. Y'all
Wheelman.
enjoyed it.
Wheelman,
Thank
blind
you,
guy.
Wheelman.
I am so excited.
It cranked a lot easier than I thought it would, actually, just so y'all know.
Man, yeah. Haha, it sounded good.
Wheelman, blind guy, and CC out.